How to add multiple pictures to an Instagram story. So first off, I'm going to open up the stories page here and I'm going to take a blank photo. Okay, from here we want to press on the third icon right here at the top next to the double A letters. Click on the stickers. Okay, from here we want to scroll down until we see this icon. Usually it's next to the temperature with a little plus sign. So it's like a file with a plus. Okay, so just click on it. And here you can select one image that you want to add. You can resize it, move it around like this. And then if you want to add another image like so, you just press on the third option again. Then you go here, find this icon that looks like a file with a plus. And then you can select whichever image you want and you can do so and put it over the other. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time. Bye.